Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change to kilometer on a segment or a post or manual activity on the Strava application. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open the Strava application if you already have it downloaded into your phone. Of course, if you don't have it, you will need to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Once you do that, you'll have to go and open the Strava application up. And of course, if it's your first time, they'll actually ask you to log in into your account. If you have an account, just go and log in into it. But if you don't, they will give you three options to create an account. They will give you the Facebook option, the Google option, and the email option. Choose whatever suits you. And of course, once you created your account or even logged in into your account, you'll find yourself at the home option of the Strava application, which is gonna be normally your home screen or your main screen of the Strava. And of course, what we said, we would like to change to kilometer. So as you can see here, we have like this post made by me. It is like and the activities are run. I run for 2 miles and pace is 30 minutes per mile and the time was 1 hour. So I would like to change this mile to kilometer. So how can we do that? Of course, we can change it on an existing post if you want. Let's say as an example, this one. We can just go and hit the post that we would like to change the mile to kilometer from. Click at the three dots, click at edit activity, and scroll down until you find this. And click on it and change this mile into kilometer. Click at OK, and normally you will hit the save button and you will be actually good to go. Of course, now you can actually create a new post if you want by the mile if you want manual activity, and you can just go here and of course instead of mile do kilometer and fill other stuff if you want and save and you will be good to go. So that's actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.